As part of week 1 assignment, I had built a learning system which sits on top of our knowledge and helps us to test our knowledge and builds a knowledge map. Now, as part of week 2 assignment, I have built a tool to get our knowledge data into the database. So this is our tool. This is a Chrome plugin. This is a Chrome plugin called Brains. So whatever we learn on day in and out, we can simply clip it. So you can see, so I am on this page. So suppose I have read this page, and you can clip this entire page to our Google Drive. Currently it is pointing to Google Drive. So all this data will go to Google Drive. So once you have acquired certain amount of data, you can simply generate the wiki. So whatever raw data is there, so that will be turned into a wiki page, multiple wiki pages, and we can build a brain map also out of that. And this is very common, right? So so nowadays mostly everyone is building this, everyone has this. But along with this, I also needed a way to store my thoughts. So day in and day out, I'll be thinking about some product ideas or something else. So I wanted to store that also. So for that, there is another option also here called thoughts. So here what we can do, we can simply go ahead and speak. So whatever we are speaking, so that will be converted into text, and it will be stored in the brain. Let's see. Okay. Let's see, we have multiple brain options here. We can create brain also. A brain is nothing but a storage of data. So for example, I have AI brain and I have thoughts brain. That means I can, whatever I learned in with respect to the area of AI, so I'll be storing in AI. It's like a folder, right? Let's see the structure in Drive. So this is my the main brains folder, and inside this I have two different brains. I'll call this as brains. There are two different brains. Let me show you the AI brain. So there are two folders here, raw and wiki. So whatever data we clip, so that will come to raw. The text and also images, that will come and sit in raw. And you can see there is a way to generate wiki also. So once we generate wiki, so there is a I have connected this to Gemini. So Gemini, so it will generate the wiki out of the raw pages, and it will store as a wiki, different wiki pages here. Let me show you a sample wiki page also. As you can see, it has the pointer to source. Source is our original raw data, and it has pointer to different related pages also. These are the relative wiki pages. Okay. Let me do a sample clipping. I'll go to brains. I'm clipping this page. I don't have this page in my Google Drive, so I'm clipping this page. So this has already populated title, preview, entire content of this page. Let me just click on save. It takes some amount of time. So this is not calling any LLMs, so it will simply clip this page and it will put into Google Drive. Okay. Let's wait for some more time. Okay, it's taking more time than it should. Okay. Okay, sorry, yeah, it has already saved it. Let me see here. Okay. In raw, yeah, right now I have clipped it. Okay. And also we can capture thoughts also. But before that, let me show you the generation of wiki as well, because this calls LLM behind. So I'm generating wiki. Let's see this as well. Okay, I'll explain something else also. Since this is a Chrome plugin, we would be mostly using our phones, right? So we would need a plugin to phone also. For that, I have for Android phones, obviously we can mostly we will use Chrome, and even in iPhone mostly we use Chrome. So we can use this plugin itself. And along with that, for iPhones, so, I have built a separate shortcut as well. For that, I have stored a script in Google. This is a Google script storage, and from here I can simply call the shortcut. Okay, let's see what has happened. It's still generating wiki. Okay, as part of my okay, so it has generated, so it has generated two new pages, and it has updated three pages. So if there are any related pages existing, so we will find that and we will update the same pages. So there is a link also, that check in brain, so this will directly open the Google Drive. Okay, so it has created some of these pages and it has updated the existing pages, so this is directly in wiki. Okay, so that's all for me. As part of my week 3 assignment, I'll be linking this plugin, and also I'll be linking this plugin and my learning app. So currently these are two separate systems. The plugin gets the data and stores, and the learning system sits on top of this data. So now as part of week 3 assignment, so I'll be writing some MCPs to MCPs and linking my learning system directly to Google Drive. So currently this is a full-fledged system, especially the brain. We can access it via browser also, we can access it via phone as well. That's it for me. Thank you.